Hello, hello, Ashley here, and I have got my ginormous box of close to my heart stuff, and I wanted to share what is inside of it. Okay, so let me crack this open. Alright, so lots of bubble wrap. My child is always very excited for that. Okay, and so what have I gotten? The new Spectrum Noir markers. All right, so they come in 3 different colors. There is the it's Quicksilver, Molten Copper, and Liquid Gold. I've seen some awesome things done with these. I'm very excited to play with them. Okay, and then these go with my Workspace Wonder. Okay, so these are, get them open. Haha. They stack, and these hold my ink. Okay, they all just slide in. It's a little bit of a tight fit because they have some plastic on. With no plastic, they slide right in. So I ordered a bunch of new colors, all right, that I was missing to kind of round everything out. So I have 3 of these, and they actually, let's see here, fit inside one another, and they stack perfectly. Okay. All right. Let me get that out of the way. Shbam. Let me move the box. Let me do it this way. Okay. Let me see here. I have honey butter, pine, flamingo, desert rose, and seabrook. Okay, so these are a bunch of some of the newer colors, some of them that I haven't had. So desert rose and flamingo. The flamingo around here, and these 3 are new. I've seen the new stickers on the new ink, right? I really like that new look. I have some extra paste since I'm running low, and I'm going to be playing with some stencils. Stitched heart thin cut I needed for album retreat, which I signed up for. Very excited for that. This is that, and I think some of the ink colors I needed for album retreat. Everything else I kind of already had in my stash. I got some stencils to play with. So this is the stencil bundle. So I get both sets of stencils. So let's go ahead and look at pack number 1. Let me see. Let's go. Here is a set of pine, but that might be dark enough for you kind of to see this. So sunshine, joy, better, inspire, laughter. So very kind of just cutesy backdrop. You have some fun circles, bubbles, a lot of cute things. This could be Christmas ornaments. This could be underwater bubbles. I really like this one, just kind of that burst. I think it's really cute, especially with a small little card sentiment right here, so it's coming out from it. Okay, so that is stencil pack number 1. Okay, and then stencil pack number 2. This is the one I'm going to be using for a workshop coming up. So we have these geometric squares. Now this is kind of fun because it's just different little textures, and then you can pick it up and then continue those patterns. And then this last one are these really pretty kind of flowers kind of thing, or starburst, depending on how you want to think of it. So, all right. I've been wanting to play with some stencils, so I actually ordered one of the large stencil packs. So this is stencil pack number 1. And it is a bunch of travel stencils and outdoors. This is really cool. If you see this, it's got the word explore on it, and it's got multiple layers that you build up and put together. I like just this outdoorsy, the trees, and then this is the bark on the trees. So just all of these layering stencils are really fun. And then let's see, what do we got here? We have some pretty water, and then we have our sun, palm leaves, hello sunshine. So just a lot of really cool ones. Oh, here's another buildable. Skyline. This builds with this trunk. Okay, so you have all these cute little things. Love to travel, the map, the world. Okay, I have a lot of fun travel photos. So, and in case you haven't realized, I ordered a giant pack of pine. Okay, and then I ordered a giant pack of honey butter because those are colors I can see myself using a lot of. And then in here, I did a custom 24 pack and I ordered 12 sheets of melon and then 12 sheets of periwinkle. So these are some of the newer colors that have been released. I had a small stash of them and I've generally used all of it up. And then my other colors are Seabrook and then on the back side, Mist. So this gives you a good difference between Mist and periwinkle. So you can see periwinkle is much more purpley, and then the mist is like a deep gray. And that is what I got. All right. Ooh. So let me know in the comments what is your favorite, and then don't forget to place an order so that you can help support my small business. And as always, craft on, you guys.